Hey Russell fam, here are some highlights from our summer reading program that we did at our local library.
Nice to meet you. You like Halley's Comet, right? You ever heard of Halley's Comet? There's actually a comet that we get to see every so many years. I can't remember how many years, but every so often it will fly in the sky. It's the same comet. They call it Halley's Comet. Yeah. So you're like a bright star in the sky that we get to see every now and again. How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
10 years old. Very good. Are you married?
No.
Okay, good, good. And what is your name, sir?
Bailey.
Bailey and Haley. Bailey and Haley. I bet there's a Bailey's Comet out there somewhere too. How old are you? 19 years old. Thank you very much. Awesome. Very good. And are you married? Hey, neither is Haley. Go say hello. Shake her hand. No, yeah, I'm just kidding. You guys are going to help me reenact that moment. The first thing we're going to need is a couple of paper plates. Now, these paper plates are made of plastic. They come straight from South America. You know how come I know that? No, the box said Amazon on it. That's how come I know. You know what origami is? The ancient art of paper folding?
Yes.
Well, I know plateogami. Well, I can take these plates and I can make all kind of special things with these plates. In a minute, we're going to make a flying saucer. Watch. Turn around, face everybody. Mickey Mouse. Look, I can do it again. One more. I know dozens. Minnie Mouse. Right. Princess Leia. Donald Duck. Okay, here. Hold on to that plate. I'll explain the duct tape in just a minute. We are going to need that duct tape to fly our spaceships. Do me a favor, open up that pouch right there. I'm going to need the clips out of that pouch in order for us to make our spaceship. Hand me clip number 1. That's clip number 2. Hand me clip number 1. That's clip number 3. Hand me clip number 1. There you go, clip number 1. Thank you very much. Clip number 1 goes on there. So Bailey, you still living at home, mooching off of mom and dad? You got a job? What's going on there? Go ahead and hand me clip number 2. That's number 3. Hand me number 2. Thank you very much. Clip number 2. We're making a little spaceship here. All right, hand me clip number 3. And that's 4, but I'll use it anyway. All right, here. And clip number 4. Thank you very much. Now we have a flying saucer. You're going to need, this duct tape. That's how we're going to fly our spaceship. Do you know why they call it duct tape?
Why?
Well, you know how when you pick up a seashell on the sea, you can listen to the sea in the seashell?
Yeah.
Well, if you pick up duct tape, you can hear the ducks. Oh, really? Listen. See? I told you can hear the ducks, okay? Hold on to that, your left hand up nice and high. In your right hand, I'm sorry. Yeah, I get mixed up here. We're going to clip this on here. You're going to be in charge of the space aliens and the spaceship. Don't spin it around too much. You don't want them to get dizzy, okay? All right. It makes them very angry. All right, here we go. Now, if he's in charge of the aliens and the spaceship, that means that you are in charge of the underpants. Hold on to the underpants for me. Now, it says that the aliens will steal our underpants if we put them out on the clothesline like that, so we're going to try to outsmart the aliens. We're going to put them in our nighttime laundry bag. Do me a favor, look inside there. Is there anything in that laundry bag? Say no. Very good. Anything in there? Say no. Very good. Okay. Anything in there? Very good. Go ahead and do me a favor, put the underwear down in the laundry bag just like this. You're going to hold on to this laundry bag in your left hand, just like that. Take your right hand, put it in the air just like this. Take your left hand, put it in the air just like this. Now, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how they do it, but I do know they use a device like this. I don't know what it's called, and I don't know how it works, but do me a favor, would you grab that end of the device? Do me a favor, come over here, grab that end of the device. Come a little closer. Now watch. Don't move. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Don't move. Back there, you move. Yeah, you're right on your. Just want to look. if it worked, the underpants will be... Actually, the underpants are going. Reach in, grab what's in there. Check it out. The underpants are gone. Open that up. What is it? It's a note! It's a note from the aliens. It's written in alienese. It says, "Dear humans, we have your underpants. Sorry for the inconvenience, but we love them. Your friends, the aliens." Wait a minute. Bailey, if they have our underpants...
No way.
Yes way. Look inside there. Is there anything in there? Let's give our aliens, go ahead, grab those underpants. Let's give our aliens a big round of applause. Wow.
hope you enjoyed our highlights. If you did, give us a thumbs up, smash that like button, and don't forget, if you're not subscribed to our channel, to please do that.